Okay, we're going to use rotational symmetry to make both these shapes have half-turn symmetry. So the first thing you need to do is to draw the shapes on your book, in your book using a ruler, and the point of rotation. That's these two black points here. Then I'd get some tracing paper and draw the shape on the tracing paper plus the point of rotation. Then putting that tracing paper over your jotter, put your finger on the point of rotation and then rotate it round 180 degrees. Okay? Then keeping your finger on the point of rotation, lift up the corners of your tracing paper and note where the corners of the shape would go. So for mine, my points would go here, 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 and here. Once you've done that, you can then using a ruler, draw the lines on. So this is where mine will go here. And that's the first shape there, which has half-turn symmetry. Let's do the same for the other one. So there's my page of my jotter. Then I would do tracing paper on my shape and the point of rotation. I would then rotate it round, okay, keeping my finger on the point of rotation. And then lifting up the corners of my tracing paper, I would note where the corners of my new shape go. So my new shape goes here, 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 here. Okay, and then using a ruler, I just draw lines between each of my corners. Okay, and there we go.